Ordinarily, I would be introducing you to another element, and this time I'm actually able to introduce you to a whole bunch of different elements, although I'm only really going to claim two of them here. This lighter has a wheel on it that if I was to turn it, it would produce a spark. Now, if I press this down, I'll get a constant flame there, but what if I don't allow that little lever to go down to release the butane to light the lighter? If I do that, you'll see as I turn this wheel, it's producing sparks. This wheel has a metal on it that's called mish metal, and if you scrape it, you can produce it scrapes off the coating, allows the metal, fresh metal, to be exposed to the air. Little pieces of it fly into the air, and it produces a spark. And there we go. This metal is so-called mish metal, which actually has a bunch of different elements in it. The main two, though, the main one is cerium. That's element 58 down here. And it's probably mostly cerium, but it has a good portion of lanthanum in it. Now notice, this is element 57, this is element 58. They're actually neighbors on the periodic table. If you notice, there's a big gap between 57 and 72. They're neighbors on this periodic table, but all these elements get put in that little space right there. One of these days we can talk about how to construct the periodic table. For now, I'm just introducing you to the elements. So lanthanum and cerium are the main metals that are found in mish metal, but a lot of these other so-called rare earth lanthanide elements are also found there. There's no promethium in it. Promethium is radioactive and it's not naturally found on planet Earth, but probably a lot of these are also found it. There's probably a good amount of neodymium. That is one that I've already introduced when I showed you the magnets, but there's a lot of these other ones as well. So mish metal contains rare earth elements such as cerium and lanthanum.